Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax over in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2026 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. Have the beautiful white exterior and the red badging here. This does come with the galvanized trailer shown. Really versatile boat with a ski tow bar. This does have the 150 Mercury on it. And then the two aft seats here with backrest. And then you can see here these do turn into rod holders. Spice it up with the teak boarding step. As we make our way into the boat here, you do have a lot of room to move about for 19 feet. This does have the JL audio, the fishing package, and live well underneath the helm seat. Do have our Simrad display screen with all your engine diagnostics and chart plotting, center tacks and gauges, traditional center console with our T-top, and then our bow filler cushion and anchor locker. This is also set up, you can put a trolling motor up here on the bow with all the connections. Again, this is a 2026 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk located here at our store in Rogers. Have a great day.